Bereshit, chapter 28.
And Yitzhak called Yaakov and blessed him, and charged him, and said unto him, You shall not take a wife of the daughters of Canaan. Arise, go to Paddan-Aram, to the house of Bethuel, your mother's father. And take you a wife from there, of the daughters of Lavan, your mother's brother. And Shaddai bless you, and make you fruitful, and multiply you, that you may be an assembly of peoples. And give you the blessing of Abraham, to you, and to your seed with you, that you may inherit the land of your sojournings, which Elohim gave unto Abraham. And Yitzhak sent away Yaakov. And he went to Paddan-Aram unto Lavan, son of Bethuel, the Aram Mepon, the brother of Rivkah, Yaakov's and Esau's mother. Now Esau saw that Yitzhak had blessed Yaakov, and sent him away to Paddan-Aram, to take him a wife from there. And that as he blessed him, he gave him a charge, saying, You shall not take a wife of the daughters of Canaan. And that Yaakov hearkened to his father and his mother, and was gone to Paddan-Aram. And Esau saw that the daughters of Canaan pleased not Yitzhak his father. So Esau went unto Ishmael, and took unto the wives that he had, Mahaloth, the daughter of Ishmael, Abraham's son, the sister of Vayot, to be his wife. And Yaakov went out from Bereshit, and went toward Haran. And he lighted upon the place, and tarried there all night because the sun was set. And he took one of the stones of the place, and put it under his head, and lay down in that place to sleep. And he dreamed, and behold, a ladder set up on the earth. And the top of it reached to heaven, and behold, the angels of Elohim ascending and descending on it. And behold, Yahuwah stood beside him and said, I am Yahuwah, the Elohim of Abraham your father, and the Elohim of Yitzhak. The land whereon you lie, to you will I give it, and to your seed. And your seed shall be as the dust of the earth. And you shall spread abroad to the west, and to the east, and to the north, and to the south. And in you, and in your seed, shall all the families of the earth be blessed. And behold, I am with you, and will keep you whithersoever you go, and will bring you back into this land. For I will not leave you, until I have done that which I have spoken to you of. And Yaakov awakened out of his sleep. And he said, Surely Yahuwah is in this place, and I knew it not. And he was afraid, and said, How full of awe is this place? This is none other than the house of Elohim, and this is the gate of heaven. And Yaakov rose up early in the morning, and took the stone that he had put under his head, and set it up for a pillar, and poured oil upon the top of it. And he called the name of that place Bethel, but the name of the city was Luz at the first. And Yaakov vowed a vow, saying, If Elohim will be with me, and will keep me in this way that I go, and will give me bread to eat and raiment to put on, so that I come back to my father's house in peace, then shall Yahuwah be my Elohim. And this stone which I have set up for a pillar, shall be Elohim's house. And of all that you shall give me, I will surely give the tenth unto you.